The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra vacuum offers a revolutionary all-in-one dock that simplifies cleaning with automatic emptying and hot water mop washing and drying. With an impressive 10,000 pascals of suction power, this vacuum effectively captures dust and debris from both carpets and hard floors. Its FlexiArm designed side brush and extra edge mop ensure thorough cleaning along edges and tight spots, reaching margins as narrow as 1.68 millimeters. The VibraRise 3.0 Sonic Mopping System tackles stubborn stains with high-speed scrubbing at 4,000 times per minute while lifting the mop to avoid dampening carpets. Advanced obstacle recognition and navigation technologies allow the S8 MaxV Ultra to identify up to 73 different objects, ensuring thorough and uninterrupted cleaning. The built-in intelligent voice assistant enables users to control cleaning tasks with simple voice commands, enhancing convenience and user experience.